My name is Manikanta, roll number 2201 CS05. Today I will be walking through my implementation for assignment 8, where our task is with building a distributed automation system using JSON Web Tokens. Our build this API using Python and Flask. So let's dive into how it works. Let's walk through the code. Here we can see the goal of the project is to implement secure role-based and access control in our app.app.py. We have mock users database where my primary user is money2201 CS05 is configured with a editor role. When a user authenticates via the API author login endpoint, the server verifies their credentials and generates two JWTs using the PyJWT library. An access token which is short-lived and configured to expire in exactly 15 minutes. A reflex token which is long-lived and expires in 7 days. Here role-based protection. Here we can see to securely protect our API endpoints, I wrote a custom decoder called token required. This function intercepts incoming HTTP requests, decodes the barrier tokens using our secret key and performs multiple layer of validation. It checks if the token has expired, checks if it has been blacklisted, which handles our logout functionalities, and most important, it checks the custom role claims inside the payload to ensure the user actually has permission to access the specific endpoint. Now let's actually run the code application to see this in action. I'll start the Flask server here on point 5000. With the server running, I would prepare the test.py script to simulate a client interacting with our API endpoints. Let's run it. Here first the script sends a login request. We get a 2200 OK status, and our access and reflex tokens are beautifully logged to the screen. Our user details confirms our editor role. Next, we try to access the potential student get endpoint. Because editor are permitted here, the server successfully returns our mock database containing my roll number. However, when we try to hit in the admin user endpoint, the server immediately kicks back a 403 forbidden error, because our role is editor, not admin. This perfectly demonstrates the role-based access control logic. Moving on, we pass our reflex token to the server, and it seamlessly generates a brand new access token for us. Finally, we test our logout endpoint. The server adds our current token to a blacklist, and meaning it has been fully revoked. When the script tries to access the student endpoint one last time, the server securely blocks it with a 401 unauthorized error. And through this assignment, we successfully verified the JSON Web Tokens can be effectively used to manage sessions, status and authorization in distributed system without relying on any external database for section records. Thank you for watching.